came to the top, started from the floor. How we got up here, you don't need to know.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl, the Glam Empress. And for those of y'all that are new here on this channel, we do fashion, lifestyle, and beauty content. And today I am back with a makeup video. And for those of you who don't know, I work at Sephora and I'm always trying out the new and improved products, especially the ones that y'all love seeing on TikTok. And today we are doing a unicorn inspired look. And if you love makeup and beauty content, don't forget to like this video, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss an upload, and subscribe to the channel, y'all, because y'all be sleep and we are coming with the heat. First, we are doing the brows, which takes the longest, but I love using my Precisely Brow Pencil by Benefit, and I clean my brows up using the concealer from LA Girl. Now I'm going in with my Sephora concealer brush in number 71 to buff out the concealer, and I'm damping the brush using my Mario Badescu lavender spray. And girl, I just went ahead and sprayed that all over my face just to give me some hydration. But when I tell y'all that spray is the truth, it's definitely gonna give you some hydration to your face. Now I'm using my MAC Prep and Prime eye base for my eyes, and you guys, I have oily eyes, so I have to ensure that my eyelids are set, baby. Like, if not, then I did all this work on my eyeshadow for nothing, and we aren't doing that. Like, it already takes too long to do my makeup, so we need to do it right if we're gonna do it. So I'm just blending everything out, and then I'm gonna go in using my Anastasia eye primer, which has a little color to it, for my base. And your girl sitting up here wasting product which is a no-no, but we are gonna go ahead and blend that out and get ready for a vibrant eyeshadow look. So your girl isn't much of a color girl, but since I'm trying to expand my horizons, I wanted to do this colored look. Usually I stick to my neutral type of look or my glitter glam, but I want to start dibbling and dabbling in some color. So I went ahead and I used this raggedy old color eyeshadow palette, which I don't know the company. I don't even know how I got it. I don't remember anything about it, but I know I have it. And I'm just gonna go in with that purple, and I'm gonna use it as a crease shade and also a transitional shade as well. Next, I'm going to go in with this pink color, and I'm just going to put this on the outer corners of my crease, and this is just to blend it in with the purple. And I'm blending in everything seamlessly, and I'm going to prepare the eyelid for the other colors that I plan to put on my eyelid, but we want to make sure that all of our colors are blended in. And I'm also going to use this orange color just to kind of put it in my crease to blend it between my eyelid and the purple color there, because orange is the closest color to my skin complexion. So I wanted it to be a nice little, you know, like kind of like a nice little rainbow that's kind of all blended in. But I'm just using that to warm up the purple just so it's not a harsh transition into the eyeshadow look. Now I'm using the e.l.f. Cameo Matte Concealer, and I'm going to use that to cut my crease. I really love using the e.l.f. concealer just because it dries down matte quickly, and I don't got to be sitting up there using a fan or all of that just to get the concealer dry, because you know with cut creases, they have to be dried down completely before you start adding the colors. And then I'm also going to blend out the edge of my cut crease so that way I can blend more colors into the cut crease. And y'all will see what I'm talking about, you know, as I continue doing this video. Alright, so this is where I go back in using the pink eyeshadow to blend out my cut crease, because you don't want anything to look harsh. You want everything to be blended in seamlessly. Like, you don't want to see any harsh lines. So I'm just blending out my cut crease so you guys don't see any of the harshness from me cutting the crease. Now I'm going in using the Sephora collection shadow brush in number 14, and I'm gonna start packing on the different colors in my eyelid. And I love using this brush from Sephora Pro collection just to pack on any colors. We don't really have to blend this specific color out unless it's on the edges or on the sides, but this is a really good packing brush for eyeshadows. And now I'm going in with my Sephora Pro. Is this my Sephora Pro? Yo, I don't know. This brush looked kind of dirty, so it's probably not my Sephora Pro collection brush. But I am using a crease brush just to, again, like I said, blend out the edges. And because I'm using glitter for this look, you always want to use a glitter primer before you add any type of glitter to the eyelids. Just ensure that your glitter is not falling out. I don't recommend using concealer. I recommend using a glitter eye primer or a glitter primer specifically for any glitter looks. And also get you a glitter brush to pack on that glitter as well. After doing any type of heavy eyeshadow look, you always want to wipe your under eye with a baby wipe just to get rid of any excess color that's down at the bottom. And now I'm going in with my Supergoop matte sunscreen primer, which of course I have to use a sunscreen for any makeup look. So the fact that Supergoop made primers that contains sunscreen is definitely key. And y'all, I use a couple of different primers just because I'm oily and they all serve a different purpose. So it's okay if you have to go in using multiple different primers, but again, they all serve a different purpose. So I go in using at least about 2 to 3 different primers depending on my look. And so for this one, I'm going in with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer and the Milk Mattifying Primer and the Supergoop Matte Sunscreen Primer. Now I'm going in with Mother. Y'all, Too Faced Born This Way foundation and concealer. I don't have the concealer, but I just know about the concealer. But this foundation is definitely holy grail if you are oily, and say if you're doing anything outside or you just know you're going to be moving around a lot. This foundation is chef's kiss, y'all. Like, I'm not going to say it's going to stop you from sweating, but if you do sweat with this foundation, the sweat will sit on top of the foundation. It's not going to disrupt the foundation. So I love going in with my Born This Way if I know I'm going to be outside or doing anything that's going to involve me sweating. And now I'm using the Sephora, this is a serum, a brightening serum, but it's a concealer pretty much, and I'm just going in with that to highlight any points of my face that I want highlighted. And then I'm using my black opal foundation stick to contour my face, and I'm just gonna blend everything out using my Sephora Pro Collection. What is this? My concealer brush. Now I'm going in using my Sacha Buttercup loose setting powder. I believe it's, well, I think they only have one color. I was going to say banana, but no, they only have one color, or probably two. But this is my Sacha Buttercup, just set in my under eye and any highlighted spots that I want to brighten. And then I'm just going to blend out my contour as well while I'm baking. Y'all, this is like my favorite part of the makeup process, is blending the contour out while I'm baking, because then you can really see the different definitions that are coming back into your face. And a lot of people, of course, we want to contour and all that type of stuff just to give our face like more of a defined look, especially if you have a round face like me. But I really like this part because you get to see like your face coming alive. Like a lot of us have the brown under eye dark circles, but with this process you get to see that completely go away and you just look more alive, like you don't look dead. And then also with this process, you don't look casket sharp, like you're adding all this definition back into the face, which is my favorite part of the makeup process. And now I'm going in with my MAC pressed powder to blend everything out. Of course, again, we do not want any harsh lines. We do not want you to know where anything is stopping and starting, honey. We want everything to be blended, baby, blended. We're going in with our nose contour using the black opal cream bronzing powder, well, cream bronzer, and I'm using this to sculpt out my nose. And I know what y'all are thinking, girl, what are you doing? This is too harsh. Yes, so I like to use different techniques to see what works, what don't work, and I realized that the cream is a little too harsh, so I did switch back to contouring my nose with just a light powdered bronzer. Now I'm just going in with my MAC highlighter to highlight any points of my face where I know the sun will just give me that full glam look. And then I'm also going in with my favorite powdered blush by Milani. I want to say it's the Rose, the Blush and Rose. So yeah. And again, I'm just blending everything out using my pressed powder and going back in with some more highlight. And now I'm going to use the Lash Rocket liquid eyeliner. And you guys, I really don't care for this eyeliner just because it does crack. It don't really last all day. I have to apply 2 different layers, and then I'm going in, y'all, sorry, I'm just trying to catch up with this video, y'all, so bear with me. But now I'm going in with my Rare Beauty mascara, which I absolutely love, and I like using this mascara before I put on my false lashes. And then I'm going in with my Bad Gal or sorry, oh no, this is my eyeliner, my e.l.f. eyeliner, y'all. See, I don't even know what I'm talking about. And now, y'all, I'm going back into my eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna take this green color and I'm just going to shade it under the eye just to give me a pop of color. I wish I would have did the purple or the pink because it would have looked like I brought the whole eye together and tied in everything together, but I just kind of went with the flow on this. And then I'm going back into my eyes with my e.l.f. eyeliner and then my Bad Girl by Benefit mascara. And now, you guys, I'm gonna go in with my MAC lip liner pencil, and I want to say it's in the color coral, but don't give me the line. But I'm just using that to outline my lips, and I like to put on a lot of lip liner because I like that ombre look. And then I'm going in with my new favorite Kat Von D liquid lip vinyl, and I fell in love with this lip cream. It's the perfect nude and it blends in with any lip liner pencil, and I absolutely love it. And y'all know my trick with lashes, and I'm not going to be slipping on myself when it comes to my lashes, y'all. I'm going to stick to the same routine because I don't want nothing hanging off or falling off, especially in my videos. Like, come on. But anyway, I'm just going to go ahead and place the glue on the lash line, y'all. And I'm really focusing on the inner part since that's where lashes tend to pull or fall off the most. And then I put glue on the actual lashes, and y'all, when I tell you it sticks so good, well, it looked like one of them is kind of hanging off, but I'm gonna fix it. But it sticks so good, and y'all, I can wear these lashes like that for 2 days without them falling off because I used the glue on the lashes and I put glue on my eyelid. Now I'm finishing off this look with my MAC Fix Plus Matte Setting Spray to lock everything in. This is the final look, and girl, the creative juices were flowing. I'm so proud of myself for stepping outside of the box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to see more content, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.
Got up here, you don't need to know. Sniffing on the M, I need one of those. Sniffing on the M like I got a cold. Need to know, nah, you don't need to know.